Hi guys, MJ here. Pang ilang days na ba natin ng ECQ ngayon? Anyway, Onwards BGC sent me a package and sabi nila it's on the way na daw. So let's see na lang mamaya kung ano laman nun. Hi guys, I'm back. Grabe ang init sa baba. So anyway, pinadala nila ako ng Yale Smart Keypad tsaka Yale Smart Lock Pro Plus Connect. I think this one is yung pinakamabilis tsaka best way to do simple automation sa bahay ninyo, especially sa mga nasa condos, yung bang ayaw nilang palitan yung mga deadbolt ninyo, dapat pare-parehas kasi kayo dapat lahat ng mga condo owners. So and then add the simple IoT devices sa bahay ninyo and control everything na pag-alis ninyo, paglabas ninyo, pagbalik ninyo, mag-auto lock, unlock. So tara, buksan natin.
Here is guys, the Yale Smart Lock Pro Plus Connect, where you can control and monitor your door from anywhere in the world. This model now includes the Yale Connect Wi-Fi bridge. Always remember, this will only work with your existing single-cylinder deadbolt. What's inside the box? Yale Smart Lock Pro 3rd Gen. Four AA batteries, mounting hardware, masking tape, QR code for Yale Access App, lock adapters, door sense sensor, and the Yale Connect Wi-Fi bridge. Yale Smart Keypad. Secure, code-based home entry for your Yale Smart Lock. QR code for Yale Access App, double-sided tape, Yale Smart Keypad, two AAA batteries are also included. Two screws and two wall anchors. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and watch my next video.